Behold the main battle tank, a towering embodiment of strength, precision, and engineering mastery that commands attention the moment it enters the field of vision. Its presence alone is enough to silence doubt and instill a sense of awe, as this machine represents the pinnacle of armored warfare, combining raw power, advanced technology, and unyielding protection into a single, formidable unit. Every inch of its exterior is crafted with meticulous care, a blend of reactive composite armor and reinforced plating designed to withstand the most extreme conditions and the most relentless attacks, absorbing and deflecting strikes with calculated resilience. Beneath this formidable shell lies its beating heart, a high-performance engine delivering staggering horsepower, propelling the tank across diverse terrains with agility and endurance that defies its immense size and weight. Its suspension system and advanced track design allow it to climb over obstacles, traverse rugged landscapes, and maintain stability while maneuvering at high speeds, ensuring that it remains an unstoppable force in both offensive and defensive operations. At the center of its lethal capabilities stands the main cannon, a smoothbore marvel capable of firing a variety of shells and guided munitions with remarkable accuracy, reaching targets kilometers away with devastating impact. This cannon, paired with coaxial machine guns, anti-aircraft systems, and smoke launchers, creates a symphony of destruction, allowing the tank to engage multiple threats simultaneously and adapt seamlessly to changing battlefield conditions. Within the armored hull, a crew of 3 orchestrates this machine of war, each role finely tuned to maximize efficiency and responsiveness. The commander oversees strategy and coordination, the gunner locks onto targets with advanced fire control systems and thermal imaging, and the driver navigates complex terrain with precision, all connected through state-of-the-art digital interfaces that enhance situational awareness and enable rapid decision-making. The tank's electronics integrate real-time threat detection, battlefield mapping, and targeting solutions, allowing it to anticipate movements and respond faster than any human adversary could perceive. Its defensive systems include countermeasures against guided missiles and electronic warfare, while the communication array ensures unbroken coordination with allied units, creating a networked battlefield presence that asserts dominance even before engagement. The main battle tank is not merely a machine, it is a statement of capability, a fusion of human intellect and mechanical perfection that embodies both the art and science of modern warfare. Observing it in motion, one witnesses the precision of its mobility, the force of its artillery, and the resilience of its armor acting in concert, a manifestation of relentless engineering and strategic foresight. Its history, though silent within the showroom, speaks through every design choice, every calibration, and every reinforced panel, narrating a story of evolution, adaptation, and uncompromising performance. Standing before it, one feels the weight of its presence, a psychological projection of dominance and deterrence that communicates without words, ensuring that any opponent recognizes both the risk and futility of confrontation. The air seems to hum with anticipation around it, as though the tank itself exudes confidence, a mechanical sentinel ready to assert control, enforce boundaries, and define the outcomes of conflicts before they even begin. Its systems are interconnected yet modular, allowing for continuous upgrades and adaptation to future technological advancements, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of armored warfare. Long after its initial deployment, the turret rotates smoothly on precision bearings, capable of tracking multiple targets with lethal efficiency while maintaining stability even under harsh conditions, demonstrating the remarkable integration of mechanics, hydraulics, and software. Every weapon system is calibrated to operate in synergy, allowing the tank to switch between long-range bombardment and close-quarter engagement with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Its armor and active protection measures shield it from kinetic projectiles and explosive threats alike, providing its crew with the confidence to operate under extreme pressure and in high-intensity environments. Advanced sensory arrays and automated threat recognition systems allow it to anticipate ambushes, detect hidden dangers, and respond preemptively, further reinforcing its status as a dominant battlefield presence. The combination of human skill and technological precision transforms this vehicle into more than a tank. It becomes a living, reactive extension of strategy and tactical awareness, a tool capable of turning the tide of engagement through decisive, controlled power. In display settings, the main battle tank captivates observers not merely with its scale but with the promise it represents, the assurance that every component, from engine to cannon, is purpose-built to achieve objectives with ruthless efficiency. Lighting plays along its contours, accentuating the geometry of armor plates, the mechanical articulation of its suspension, and the intimidating stature of its turret, conveying strength even when motionless. The experience of approaching it, walking along its flank, and observing the intricate mechanisms up close reinforces an understanding of both human ingenuity and industrial mastery, providing insight into the meticulous planning required to create such a formidable instrument. Every hatch, every panel, every visual detail tells a story of engineering challenges overcome, of strategic considerations translated into tangible design, and of technological solutions implemented with foresight. The main battle tank does not merely occupy space, it dominates it, projecting both physical and psychological presence that communicates power, resilience, and preparedness. It embodies the principle that superior design, thoughtful integration of technology, and disciplined execution result in unmatched battlefield effectiveness, making it an icon of modern military capability. Observers are drawn into a narrative of strength, strategy, and precision, appreciating the harmony between offensive potential and defensive integrity, understanding that each aspect of this machine serves a unified purpose. The hull, the turret, the cannon, the secondary armaments, the communication arrays, and the sensory systems are all manifestations of a deliberate philosophy, that control over the battlefield comes from the seamless blending of human decision-making and mechanical supremacy. As the tank moves, its motion conveys confidence, power, and unwavering resolve, illustrating how engineering excellence translates into operational dominance. It is a living testament to foresight, discipline, and the relentless pursuit of perfection, capturing the imagination of those who witness its presence, whether in a theater of combat or a meticulously curated exhibition. Every observer, whether novice or expert, understands intuitively that this machine is more than metal. It is an instrument of strategy, an embodiment of tactical intelligence, and a symbol of the unwavering resolve to achieve victory. It challenges perception, commands respect, and leaves a lasting impression that resonates long after the encounter has ended. The main battle tank is an apex creation, a machine that defines the meaning of modern warfare, combining speed, firepower, protection, and advanced technology into a single, cohesive unit capable of shaping the outcomes of engagements and asserting dominance wherever it is deployed. In its presence, one cannot help but acknowledge the profound level of thought, research, and innovation invested in every element, realizing that this is not merely a display of force but a culmination of vision, expertise, and relentless human determination. It is a marvel of engineering artistry and tactical mastery, designed to endure, to dominate, and to inspire, and it stands as a clear reminder of the intersection between human ingenuity and the raw power of modern machinery, an emblem of the ultimate realization of armored combat capability in the contemporary world. Standing before it, one understands the silent story it tells, of preparation, of foresight, of mastery, and of the ever-present potential to define the outcome of conflict with a blend of precision, courage, and technological supremacy that few can rival. To witness this main battle tank is to witness the culmination of decades of development, experimentation, and refinement, resulting in a vehicle that is not only functionally extraordinary but also psychologically imposing, commanding attention, respect, and awe from all who encounter it. Every gear, every hydraulic system, every targeting module is a reflection of meticulous planning and exacting standards, coalescing into a single force that embodies the very essence of battlefield superiority, leaving no doubt that this is the ultimate armored warrior, a sentinel of strength, and a symbol of indomitable power.